battlefield. Good neutral stage.
3, 2, 1, go!
I think this is going to fail that vicious up to the platform. But I don't know if he has too many options to do that with super. It's going to be rough, I think. But we'll see. Immediately getting the grab into the meeting. Oh, and gets a sick with him. Nice. Already one stock down. 20 seconds in. I don't think the laser's going to be super effective here. I think Squirtle will be able to work with the whole. We'll see how it goes. He's also really low to the ground, so that's the might want to avoid that option. Almost a great gift. Alright, couple of those options. Denying this. That's a big proprietor in that aspect. Really likes it. Digs deep. Goes a little bit closer. Gets the up air. Check chase. What's he gonna do? He's taking that shot. Alright, 4 stocks. Up here too. On BFS. Ooh, very nice. Closing out that stock. Ooh, leads attack. See if this has it right now. It should have you. But no follow-ups. Give up, you know. But it doesn't give up. I think he's a little low for second one. That's it. Down in the air. Oh, goes for it all. Not questionable scout smash. It does everything. My lord. No punish. That's it, jump. Alright, 2-1. No percent on Squirtle. He can pull this back, for sure. All it is. He's making a little bit of that up and down B. That aspect is super strong. It's just great to be. Simple down Squirtle. Opportunity. Nothing. BFS and the magic shot. Alright, up smash and God, that water ball is so much wow, that was really good. Yeah, it just kind of side piece. Well, that's it. Going to big fat head side. Alright, let's see what stage we'll pull over here once. BFS nailing the stages down. Top. Let's see where we're going. I think Yoshi's Ball is a good option. I mean, you watch it move around. We'll see what it goes. Going to distant.
3, 2, 1, go!
I think those buttons got to get better opportunity to attack as we see. I think it's going to be some of the attack chase opportunities, but I'll calm down. It seems. Oh! Unfortunate self-shock. And he gets the glass. It's okay. BFS just waited for the small sense of security there, gave the glass, and that way he can take them and the stop. Oh my lord! Disgusting sight. In that caffeinated candy can. BFS is taking the lead back. 90%. But I think it's going to come down a lot to how he feels. Just being that Blue Blue doesn't do it's not kind of solid, but I'm not sure how to get it. There's a lot of really simple options. I think it can be effective. Squirtle in general just sort of controls the play to take that. Don't shut up. Going low. Nice. Disrespect says I just want this one. Let me know. Nice grab on that. Again, you can always pull it back. In this game, still have some blackness to come. But this could come. Oh! He says, I don't care if I'm coming back or not. That's it.
The winner is...
Oh, we're going to BFS.
Oh, weaklings.
Really nice set.